I've decided that I will speak English every single day until get fluency, because this is my big dream right now, to become fluent, to speak like a native speaker, to just improve my skills in English. Not only speaking, but in general. I'm totally immersed in this process, and here I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. So I'm speaking every single day. I'm still here, guys. Day number 38 already. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start today's topic. I wanna share with you my thoughts about hobbies and leisure topic. We love leisure, yeah? I love leisure and hobbies, my hobbies. And the first question, in your country, do people have a good balance between work and leisure time? Yeah, I guess that in Russia we can separate pretty good the work time and the leisure time. I mean, spending time with our friends or family or doing a hobby, just relaxing. For example, in comparison with Japan, this like the craziest country, I guess, example about extremely hardworking people. Because I saw this on TV, in Russian TV, that in internet, that people in Japan really can work non-stop, like 24 hours and even more. They're not gonna go home until they completely finish their work, and sometimes companies even don't allow them to stay in the office more hours than this like officially they can stay. Yeah, this is like the top example. Japan, hard work. Maybe China, I don't know, these Asian countries. Russia somewhere in the middle. I guess it's pretty the same with the United States, with the European lifestyle, and not obviously not so relaxed in somewhere, I don't know, in tropical islands or somewhere like in that type of states. But apparently I think we need to understand that for example, in our leisure time, we're not supposed to think about work. We're not supposed to even chat about work with the company, or in our brain continue working in our mind. No, we need to try relax, forget about work, and just devote this time to our family, friends, and to us, really, to our soul, to our hobbies. Because mostly people in the world have a 9-to-5 lifestyle job, and don't really their dream job. It's not a dream job. It's mostly not what they really, truly, genuinely enjoy. That's not, unfortunately. Has the amount of free time people have changed in the last 50 years? I don't have a statistic about last 50 years. I don't have about even imagination about this, what was 50 years. But I think that no. Maybe it's the same level. Like, what would be changed? Like, we need to think what would be changed. Nothing. This is the same life, yeah? The same jobs. We have jobs. In Russia, nothing has been significantly changed. That, for example, somewhere in China or US or Japan, AI technologies can replace real people in companies. So, for example, on hotels, on customer service area. In Russia, there is no such experience yet. AI doesn't replace people, real people. So pretty the same lifestyle, pretty the same jobs. Nothing has been changed. I will say this. Do you think people needs to have an interest or hobby? Obviously, everyone. Since you're a kid, you need to try to find your hobby, and especially when you're adult already, I don't imagine how can people live without hobby and interest, just like a slave, go to job and family sleep, job, family sleep, even without hobby. This, for me, I can't imagine this. So this is difficult, because I like something, create new, for explore this world, explore all the different areas in our life, try something. So we need to at least I don't know, reading a book, if you have the hobby reading a book after work, you can go home and read something, I don't know, enjoy, spend time to, like, how can I say, to distract yourself from job. It's already good, it's already a hobby, yeah, it's normal. At least something not in a world scale, you know, something even small. Alright guys, today I considered 3 questions. It was pretty long answers, I guess, pretty liberated. I tried to add some more details in my answers, and yeah, this is pretty much for today. Speaking, yes, done completely. Continue doing every single day. Even honestly, today didn't have a big desire. I didn't have emotions to film, to continue speak, but needs to stay, to follow our path. We need to follow our path. And of course, guys, thank you first of all that you inspire me, that you leave this comment, you support this challenge, you and try also speak. That's really great. We need to continue. Let's go.